Contents: What the laws of everything said concerning Big Bang Theory. Pattern facts of nature. The Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory in the short words. Problems with the law of everything. Space expansion. Dark energy. Dark matter. The asymmetry of CMB in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky. Dark flow. JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe. Cloud and rain model universe. With pattern facts of nature, cloud and rain model answers the puzzles of the Big Bang Theory. Expecting evidence of cloud and rain model universe. More comprehensive about Big Bang Theory. Reference. What the laws of everything said concerning Big Bang Theory. When friends use fingerprint and DNA identification in many cases in this planet, it seems friends didn't realize that friends were using pattern fact of nature or the laws of everything. At the same time, friends neglected that there are others in pattern fact of nature or the laws of everything. Then here it is. Pattern facts of nature. Pattern facts of nature is the highest law in the universe. It is the ultimate judge of everything. We can mention it as the law of everything. Physics laws, cases and events are harmonious with pattern facts of nature. Likewise, theories and conclusions in the universe have to harmonize with and obey pattern facts of nature. Pattern facts of nature is neither coincidental thing nor a man-made law. Everything without exception, including events that we experience every moment, will always follow and obey pattern facts of nature. The most significant pattern facts of nature are equality pattern, stability pattern, and uniqueness pattern. These three pattern facts are highly involved in our daily life and activities. But we aren't going to discuss stability pattern fact during this time. Equality pattern fact of nature states every subject or thing, either real or abstract, such as matter, energy, event, formula, space, time, and software has equality pattern character. That is, every subject has equality pattern with other subject in this universe. In other words, there is no subject having no equality pattern at all with other subject in this universe. Most commonly, every subject, either real or abstract, has equality pattern with more than one other subject in this universe. One significant expression of equality pattern fact is mathematics. Uniqueness pattern fact of nature states every concrete or real subject or thing, such as matter, structure, formation, building, and other items, has uniqueness character with one or more other subjects that have equality pattern with it. This fact expresses that regardless, every leaf of the same tree has extremely high degree of equality pattern with other leaves. Every of them remain unique. Two significant expressions of uniqueness pattern fact are fingerprint and DNA. The Big Bang Theory. Naturally, the term of Big Bang was expressed by Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre in the 1920s by Primeval Atom, and Russian-born American physicist George Gamow and colleagues in the 1940s by Big Bang nucleosynthesis or BBN, Rev1 and Rev3. Besides Lemaitre and Gamow, the concept of space expansion also developed by the works, studies, statements, and expressions of the following scientists. Festo Melvin Slipper, an American astronomer in the 1912 by measurement of the Doppler shift of the Spiral Nebula. Alexander Friedmann, a Russian cosmologist and mathematician, in 1922 derived the Friedmann equations from the Einstein field equations, showing that the universe might be expanding in contrast to the static universe model advocated by Albert Einstein at that time. Edwin Hubble, American astronomer, in 1924 to 1929, discovered a correlation between distance and recessional velocity, now known as Hubble's law. Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson in 1964 serendipitously discovered the cosmic background radiation, sometimes called the afterglow of the Big Bang. This light is more properly known as the cosmic microwave background or CMB. It was predicted by Lemaitre and also by Gamow and colleagues. Roger Penrose, Stephen Hawking, and George F. R. Ellis in 1968 and 1970 published papers where they showed that mathematical singularities were an inevitable initial condition of relativistic models of the Big Bang. Rev1, Rev2, and Rev3. Big Bang theory in the short words. Around 13.7 billion years ago, everything in the entire universe was condensed in an infinitesimally small singularity, a point of infinite denseness and heat. Suddenly, an explosive expansion began, ballooning our universe outwards faster than the speed of light. Rev2. The Big Bang is not an explosion of matter moving outward to fill an empty universe. Instead, space itself expands with time everywhere and increases the physical distance between co-moving points. In other words, the Big Bang is not an explosion in space, but rather an expansion of space. Rev3. Problems with the law of everything. The Big Bang theory expresses that around 13.7 billion years ago, everything in the entire universe was condensed in an infinitesimally small singularity, a point of infinite denseness and heat. Suddenly, an explosive expansion began, ballooning our universe outwards faster than the speed of light. Rev2. Until this step, equality pattern fact of nature can accept that expression. Until this step, this case can be expressed to have equality pattern with the case of atom nucleosynthesis or nuclear explosion. But the following cases of the observable universe show problems with equality pattern fact of nature if the model is Big Bang, which are space expansion, dark energy, dark matter, the asymmetry of CMB in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky, dark flow, and GWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe. We never got nature event that after the explosion to be followed by the space to expand, except the theory of space expansion. So, the space expansion concept has no equality pattern with other cases in this universe. This case is unique without having equality pattern's character. The case of space to expand isn't harmonious with pattern fact of nature or the laws of everything. The space expansion concept got its conclusion based on the movements of space objects to follow Hubble's law with accelerating expansion. This observation case has equality pattern with the observation that every morning the sun rises at east and every early evening the sun sinks at west, which was considered that the sun encircles the earth long time ago. The equality pattern point is that conclusion is only by the observation and neglecting other points. The expansion of the universe has not been slowing due to gravity, as everyone thought it has been accelerating. No one expected this, no one knew how to explain it, but something was causing it. Theorists still don't know what the correct explanation is, but they have given the solution a name. It is called dark energy. We know how much dark energy there is because we know how it affects the universe's expansion. Other than that, it is a complete mystery. Ref 10. Of course, Big Bang model cannot answer that, except trying to add theories to the Big Bang theory. According Big Bang model, the expansion should decelerate. If so, then Big Bang model has equality pattern with Lemaitre's primeval atom and Gamow Big Bang nucleosynthesis. Although the case of the space expansion itself naturally still has problems with equality pattern fact. To overcome this puzzle, friends prefer to add other theories to Big Bang theory, rather than to consider revising it. Because of overconfidence with the long-lasting euphoria of the CMB in the hand of Big Bang theory. CMB is landmark evidence of the Big Bang theory for the origin of the universe. Ref 21. But wait, since CMB also leaves a strange asymmetry in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky. Ref 17. The primary evidence for dark matter comes from calculations showing that many galaxies would behave quite differently if they didn't contain a large amount of unseen matter. Some galaxies wouldn't have formed at all and others would not move as they currently do. Ref 9. The foundations of Big Bang theory are CMB and the movement of cosmos objects to correlate with Hubble's law. In its concept, the Big Bang theory doesn't need dark matter at all. So, with these two main foundations, it is easily understood why the Big Bang theory gets puzzled with dark matter. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is leftover radiation from the Big Bang or the time when the universe began. Ref 17. They also saw a strange asymmetry in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky, and a cold spot that was bigger than expected. Ref 17. The maps give rise to new mysteries. However, such as why the southern hemisphere appears slightly redder or warmer than the northern hemisphere. The Big Bang Theory says that the CMB would be mostly the same, no matter where you look. Ref 2. Dark flow. Distant galaxy clusters mysteriously stream at 1,000,000 miles per hour along a path roughly centered on the southern constellations Centaurus and Hydra. We detect motion along this axis, but right now our data cannot state as strongly as we would like whether the clusters are coming or going, Kaslinsky said. Ref 4. Those that do not believe in it have solid reasoning. The distribution of matter in the universe doesn't account for it, but those who believe it is occurring are continuing to document and study the supposed phenomenon. Ref 7. This challenges cosmological theories. GWST spots monster galaxies from the early universe. Ref 12. GWST discovery of 6 galaxies from beginning of universe creates problems for science. 6 enormous galaxies that formed just half a billion years after the Big Bang could rewrite what astronomers know about the birth of our universe. Ref 14. Astronomers detect 6 massive galaxies so old they cannot be explained by science. Ref 15. The James Webb Space Telescope has spotted 6 massive galaxies that emerged not long after the Big Bang, a study said Wednesday, surprising scientists by forming at a speed that contradicts our current understanding of the universe. Ref 11. Cloud and Rain Model Universe. Just because Big Bang model has defeated steady-state model in 1965 by CMB discovery, it doesn't mean that there isn't any other model of the structure of the universe to pay attention. The situation winning against steady-state model is one out of several reasons why Big Bang Theory had got trapped in its overconfidence. Cloud and Rain model is the combination model of Big Bang Theory and steady-state universe. Cloud and Rain model adopts with improvement up-to-date observable universe of Big Bang Theory with its structure and dynamics, but have character like steady-state model that is cyclic universe. Until now, Cloud and Rain model only talks about structure of the universe. Cloud and Rain model doesn't have concept of the origin of the universe yet. In Cloud and Rain model, the one universe has center or core. Contents of the mighty space are cloud of galaxies, dark matter, as atmosphere of the space and voids. The cycle of events in space is the continuous construction of galaxies cloud and condensation of aged galaxies and crashed galaxies. The condensed galaxies or dead galaxies will flit toward universe's core like rain over our home. It is declared that Cloud and Rain model has equality pattern with the Earth, the atmosphere and the cloud. The main foundation of Cloud and Rain model is pattern facts of nature. With pattern facts of nature, Cloud and Rain model answers the puzzles of the Big Bang Theory. The space expansion case in Big Bang Theory. Naturally, there are several causes of the dynamics of cosmos objects in space. Please see article Cosmos Objects Dynamics. on this YouTube channel at Cloud and Rain Model for the cause. But right now, we talk the case to correlate with the Hubble's law. The dominant case is the pushing force of particle dark matter that act as atmosphere of the space to cause the cosmos objects to recede from the universe core. See the picture above. The picture is only the simplification of the real movement, which is actually in 3 dimensions of the space. UC is universe's core. A1 to A2 is the movement of space object A. B1 to B2 is the movement of space object B. Naturally, this movement has equality pattern with the movement caused by the assumed Big Bang. Little different than is in the developing Big Bang theory. Due to the observation seems the cosmos objects to recede from each other everywhere in space. The Big Bang theory at another theory which is space expansion. See the picture above again and imagine it in 3 dimensions. The case the movement of cosmos objects due to dark matter dynamics will also give us the observation that the cosmos objects to recede from each other everywhere in space. Dark energy, the assumption or the additional theory in the Big Bang theory. In the case of the receding movement due to the Big Bang, of course the receding must decrease, but not necessarily for the receding by dark matter dynamics, since dark matter will not unlike the case in the Big Bang. Other than that, there is one significant point neglected by the Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory neglects that a redshifted object that having z value much bigger than 1.0 could either mean that the object nearing or receding, or object moving with the speed much faster than light. Whether the object nearing or receding the observer will always indicate redshift. That is because on the above situation, the light of the object that arrives first to the observer is always the light that comes from the nearer position of the moving object, regardless it is starting or end position of the moving object. Big Bang theory got negligence because Big Bang theory has got the solution with space expanding concept or theory, which friends thought the concept to be correct. The misinterpretation of the redshift reading for objects traveling much faster than light could be the amplifier of the identification of dark energy for the era after the year 2000. The trap is coming from the grasp that nothing can travel faster than light. Actually, only ordinary matter cannot travel faster than light. Please see article Cosmos Objects Dynamics on this YouTube channel at Cloud and Rain Model for more describing on this dark energy and faster than light case. While Big Bang theory gets puzzled with dark matter, it is extremely different with Cloud and Rain Model universe. In its concept, Cloud and Rain Model universe mainly consists of universe's core, the cloud of galaxies and atmosphere of the universe. By dark flow and asymmetry of CMB in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky, we get the location of universe's core at the southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. We also get the characters of cluster galaxies growth, irregular cluster galaxies structures, and size to have equality pattern with cloud characters on Earth's sky. while with its characters, dark matter in space, identified by Big Bang theory, has equality pattern with atmosphere of the Earth. So, we get that dark matter is the atmosphere of the universe. It is declared that cloud and rain model has equality pattern with the Earth, the atmosphere and the cloud. Please see more about dark matter according to cloud and rain model at article Dark Matter is the atmosphere of the universe and cosmos objects dynamics on this YouTube channel at Cloud and Rain Model. The asymmetry in average temperatures of CMB in both hemispheres of the sky plus the claim of dark flow by Kaslinsky in 2008, Rev 4, Rev 5, Rev 6, and Rev 7 is the condition giving advantage to cloud and rain model universe where a pose on the southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra can be proposed to be the universe's core. Since cloud and rain model universe has core or center, then dark matter as the atmosphere of the universe must small gradually decrease in density, correspond with its distance from the universe's core. This case has equality pattern with atmosphere of the Earth, while the observable universe has equality pattern with the cloud on our sky. Dark flow is very significant of modern cosmology, while the Big Bang theory want to delete it from library, just because it doesn't suit the space expanding concept. Those that do not believe in it have solid reasoning. The distribution of matter in the universe doesn't account for it. But those who believe it is occurring are continuing to document and study this supposed phenomenon. Rev 7. Then Big Bang model will ask, what is CMB in cloud and rain model universe? This is it. CMB is the trace of dark matter's dynamics. Dark matter fleets with the speed faster than light in space. Particles of dark matter, which flit toward random directions, touch and collide with each other. We cannot see this dark matter dynamics. Nevertheless, this dark matter dynamics leaves microwave radiation everywhere in cosmos, which has been identified as cosmic microwave background radiation or CMB. The temperature of CMB is so cold, only about 3 degrees Kelvin, because dark matter fleets in an emptiness of space. This way, cloud and rain model universe answers about cosmic microwave background. So, the strange asymmetry of CMB in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky suits the expressing above that the atmosphere of the universe must small gradually decrease in density, correspond with its distance from the universe's core. Please see more about CMB and dark matter at article Cosmos Objects Dynamics, and about dark flow at To Expect the Evidence of Cloud and Rain Model Universe on this YouTube channel at Cloud and Rain Model. JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe. One galaxy is even believed to have around 100 billion stars. That would make it around the size of the Milky Way, which is crazy. The study's first author, Ivo Levy, told AFP, "It took our home galaxy the entire life of the universe for all its stars to assemble. For this young galaxy to achieve the same growth in just 700 million years, it would have had to grow around 20 times faster than the Milky Way," said Levy, a researcher at Australia's Swinburne University of Technology. For there to be such massive galaxies so soon after the Big Bang goes against the current cosmological model, which represents science-based understanding of how the universe works. According to theory, galaxies grow slowly from very small beginnings at early times. Lebby said, adding that such galaxies were expected to be between 10 to 100 times smaller. Ref 11. Cloud and Rain Model Universe as long-lasting cyclic universe has no problem with this discovery, with huge large quasars group with Hercules Carina Borealis Great Wall and anything like this still to discover in the future. For more presentation about dark flow, dark matter, CMB, dark energy faster than light, JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe, please see the article to expect the evidence of cloud and rain model universe. Dark matter is the atmosphere of the universe and cosmos objects dynamics at this YouTube channel at Cloud and Rain Model. Expecting evidence of cloud and rain model universe. 1. The confirmation of dark flow. This dark flow will show us that the universe's core is at around the southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. 2. The observation of any condensed galaxies, quasars, supermassive black holes, or other dense objects to flit toward around the southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. 3. The asymmetry of CMB in average temperatures in both hemispheres of the sky, Ref 17, where the southern hemisphere appears slightly redder or warmer than the northern hemisphere, Ref 2. 4. The confirmation of CMB to be the trace of dark matter dynamics. 5. The confirmation of black holes and dark matter to be the compressed of baryonic matter. 6. More and more discovery like JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe. Huge large quasars group and Hercules Carina Borealis Great Wall. 7. The confirmation that compressed matter really can travel faster than light. And more discovery like unknown object in Messier 82, Ref 19 and Ref 20. The expecting evidence number 1, 3, 6, and 7 have emerged to give the advantage for cloud and rain model universe. The expecting evidence number 5 has a strong indication to be correct.